In this guide, you'll discover NX Gold Vault, a unique feature that converts your wallet balance into real gold exposure. With 3 boost modes, you decide how aggressively your gold grows. No trading charts, no orders, just simple gold savings with a built-in shield. Let's walk through the full flow. Tap the FXNX tab at the bottom of the screen, then find and tap NX Gold Vault in the ecosystem grid. NX Gold Vault shows you the live gold price, around $150 per gram right now. It's not a trading platform. You simply save dollars and the vault converts them into real gold exposure at the live market price. Tap Get Started. You have 3 boost modes. 2x Safe doubles your gold exposure with a 25% stop-loss shield. 3x Power triples it with about 17% protection. 5x Max gives maximum exposure with a 10% shield. Choose the mode that fits your risk level. Your vault dashboard is empty to start. The live gold price is shown at the top, and you can select your saving mode here. Tap Fund Vault to move money in. Tap Fund Vault. The transfer from sheet opens. Select Wallet, your main account. You can see your available balance next to it. Now the transfer to sheet opens. Select NX Wallet. Look for the gold G icon. This is the dedicated Gold Vault account, separate from your regular NX trading wallet. You can see the transfer route, wallet to NX wallet. Enter your amount or use the shortcut buttons. 25, 50, 75%, or max. There's no transfer fee. Tap Confirm. Your vault is funded. You can see your balance and choose your saving mode. 2x Safe, 3x Power, or 5x Max. Tap Save Gold to make your first gold saving. On the Save Gold screen, enter your dollar amount. You'll see exactly how many grams of gold exposure you get, boosted by your chosen mode. A small fee of 0.15% is shown clearly. Confirm to lock in your gold. Your vault is now active. You can see your total grams, dollar exposure, invested amount, and live profit and loss. Everything moves with the gold price. When you're ready to exit, tap Cash Out to convert back to your wallet instantly. No lockup periods. And that's NX Gold Vault. Your balance in real gold, boosted by your chosen mode, protected by an automatic shield. When you're ready to exit, just tap Cash Out and your gold converts back to your wallet instantly. Visit portal.fxnx.com to get started.